bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling. We could have had it all. Nothing is the tears. You had my heart and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling. Through every open door, count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You'll pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all. We could have had it all. In the deep you in the deep you have my heart inside. In the deep you have my heart inside. In the deep you have my heart inside.
You guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. If you're wondering, this was the Plan With Me kit from White Deer Stationery. I will have her shop link down below so you can get this kit or any kit similar to it, because I love the way this turned out and I think that you guys will really like her kits because this is just so gorgeous. This rose gold gives me life because I just love rose gold in general, and I still have a whole bunch of leftover stickers that have a whole bunch of rose gold. And I have rose gold washi, so I may do like a rose gold spread in the future. Tell me if that's something you guys would like to see on this channel. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week I will be using this Star Wars kit from Whimsical Plans, my favorite shop on Etsy. And it's just a very like Star Wars geek-esque spread. Now I'm not a Star Wars geek, but my dad is. And so I'm using this kit for his birthday week, but his birthday isn't until the week after, but I will explain more about that in this video. So if you want to see when this video comes out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. And I just want to remind you guys, if you haven't seen my Rainbow Art Journal series already, I would totally go check that out. It was a week of rainbow art journaling, and I think all the spreads and I think all the pages turned out amazing. So I will have that linked at the end of the video. And until next time, this is Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye!